This piece has several chord patterns. We start on a B flat major on the verse, B flat, D, F. That'll be for 3 bars. And then we'll go to the E flat major chord, E flat, G, B, for just 2 beats, A flat major, A flat, C, E flat, also just for 2 beats. Then we'll get back to that B flat major, B flat, D, F. In the verse, that pattern could look like this. 2, 3, 4, B flat. For 3 bars, then it's E flat, A flat, B flat. Third bar, give it an E flat, A flat. In 2 hands, that pattern could sound like this. 2, 3, 4. The pre-chorus pattern starts on an E flat major, E flat, G, B flat, then goes to a B flat major, B flat, D, F, then to a C minor, C, E flat, G, onto an A flat, C, E flat, and then finally to an F major, F, A, C. Each chord gets 1 measure except the final chord, F gets 2. Pre-chorus in 1 hand could sound like this. Start on an E flat, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4, hold. In 2 hands, that pre-chorus pattern could look and sound like this. A 2, 3, 4, E flat, B flat, C minor, A flat, F. The chorus pattern starts on a B flat major, B flat, D, F, goes up to an E flat major, E flat, G, B flat, then we'll get a C minor, C, E flat, G, and then give it a little walk down tag, starting on an A flat, C, E flat, C minor with the G in the bottom, which means we just need to move that thumb down, so we can spell that G, C, E flat, then an F minor, F, A flat, C, and then an A flat chord, but with the E flat in the bottom. So we just need to move that thumb down again to the E flat. We can spell that E flat, A flat, C. Then we'll repeat that pattern. In 1 hand, that pattern could look like this, starting on a B flat, 2, 3, 4. Switch to E flat. Give it a C minor. Ready for the walk down, thumb. F minor, thumb. Repeat. In 2 hands, that chorus pattern could look and sound like this. 2, 3, 4. Switch to E flat, C minor. Ready, walk down, thumb. F minor, thumb, E flat. The bridge pattern features 3 chords. It starts on a B flat, D, F, moves to a C minor, C, E flat, G, and then lands on an A flat, C, E flat for 2 measures. In 1 hand, that bridge pattern could look like this, starting on the B flat for 1 bar, 2, 3, 4. C minor, A flat for 2 bars. That's B flat, C minor, A flat. In 2 hands, that bridge pattern could look and sound like this. A 2, 3, 4.